In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a keyboard and mouse on your Nintendo Switch Lite for Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, while it is possible to use a keyboard and mouse combo on your Nintendo Switch Lite to play any games, including Fortnite, this isn't something that you will be able to do natively. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what you can use to make this work, and while you can try to connect a keyboard or a mouse or even a keyboard and a mouse combo to one USB or USB-C port available on your Nintendo Switch Lite, like I said, for the most part, they aren't going to be detected natively. So you need to use an adapter. One of the best ones on the market that I would recommend is the GameSir VX2. As you can see, this is a complete package that already includes a little keyboard dock here and also a gaming mouse. You will be able to connect everything wirelessly to your Nintendo Switch, including the Nintendo Switch Lite, and you can use it not only for Fortnite but any other games where these inputs are compatible. It is going to be treated as a controller, and because of this, it is going to work natively. All that you have to do, like I said, is connect this little dongle to the USB-C port on your Switch Lite, and they are going to get detected. You can buy these peripherals on websites like Amazon, but as you can see, the specific one is currently unavailable. So you can also look for keyboard and mouse Nintendo Switch combo, and there will be plenty of other options from different manufacturers. As long as you can find a combo that includes a USB-C wireless dongle and then a mouse and keyboard, you will be able to connect them to your Nintendo Switch Lite. Like I said, because most keyboard or mouse can get connected to a Nintendo Switch, but they don't get the inputs translated right, you need to use one of these adapters and you won't be able to do it directly. So browse through all of the options and find whichever one you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use keyboard and mouse on Nintendo Switch Lite Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.